Remember to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the weekly updates on our channel.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Visha, and in my today's video I'm going to talk about an important topic which most of you women or girls ask me in my women health related videos, that how they can cure their pimples or how they can prevent these pimples. So in case if you want to know more about my women health playlist, then you can click on the link above. So let's get started with today's video. So in this video I'm going to discuss three main points: that what are pimples, what are the causes of pimples so that you can avoid those things, and how you can prevent pimples. I'm going to give you 5 important tips with the help of which you can prevent pimples. So let's get started with the very first point, that what are pimples. So pimple is just an acne which could be a dead skin cell, or it could be bacteria, or it could be the production of excessive oil in your skin. So this is the basic definition of what is pimple. So not getting into the technicality of pimple, let me tell you that what are the causes of pimple so that you can avoid if it is in your hands. So the first cause of your pimple could be stress. Yes, it could be due to stress, it could be due to lack of sleep, or your pimples could occur due to puberty. As we all know that men and women both, they hit puberty at the age of 13 to 15. So this could be a reason also, that due to your puberty or due to the hormonal changes in your body, pimples are there in your face. And the other reason could be smoking. If you are a girl or even you are a boy and you are smoking, then this could also be one of the major reasons for your pimples. Then the next one is your diet. If you are taking unhealthy food on daily basis, then this could also cause pimples or heavy acne problem to you. And the another reason could be the humidity, or it could also run in your genetics, that your mother has pimple or your father has acne, then it is in your genes and you got it from them, then this could also be one of the reasons. So in the next important point, I am going to give you the 5 best tips which will help you to prevent the acne. So the first tip is that you have to maintain a healthy face hygiene. How you can maintain it? You need to wash your face 2 times a day. Yes, this will help you in maintaining a good face hygiene, and it is also recommended that do not rub or scrub your face very harshly. Just use mild face wash and use mild water, and then dab your face with towel. Do not rub it very harshly. And after washing your face, you have to apply the moisturizer to keep it moisturized. So this is the first tip, that maintain a good face hygiene. So the next point is that you have to avoid heavy makeup. If you are using very heavy makeups, then try to remove it within 6 to 7 hours so that you can prevent acne. And if still you are facing pimple problem, then I recommend you not to use any makeup on your face. This is the one of the most recommended tips which will help you to prevent your pimples. The next point is that you have to maintain a very healthy diet. What you can include in your healthy diet? You can start taking fruits, you can start taking green vegetables, drink a lot of water, avoid spicy food and avoid oily food, and also avoid junk food. So maintaining a good diet is the third tip which will help you to prevent pimples naturally. All these methods are very natural and can be easily done. So the next point is which will help you to reduce or to prevent pimple is to use oil-free products. Yes, one of the major cause of pimple is oily skin. So you have to take care while selecting your face products that these products are oil-free. Then only you should select those products. And the next and the important tip is that do not squeeze your pimples or do not squeeze your blackheads, because sometimes it is an bacterial infection, as I have mentioned in the definition of pimples that it could be bacteria. So if it is a bacterial infection, then if you squeeze it, if you pop it, then it will spread more in your face. So try avoid doing that. Instead of squeezing, you can use ice cubes by putting it into a towel or in your handkerchief and start dabbing it on your face. So it will give you relaxed feeling and you can remove your pimple naturally with the help of this process. So these are some of the best tips which I have applied on my skin on regular basis, or I have applied it in my lifestyle so that I can avoid pimples. And you can see as I have no pimples because these tips have worked for me. In case if you are interested to know more about some other products, then you can click on the videos which are appearing in your screen. And in case you have any queries, then please feel free to drop your comments in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe and press the like button